Okay, I thought I'd just do an update. Bad results on these two here. This one here is still oscillating away, but the voltage has dropped. It was at about 0.68, I think. It was at 0.588. As soon as there you go. As soon as I put the meter on it, it seems to be jumping back up. I think the meter might be feeding that drive battery there. And I haven't measured this one, but this one's still oscillating away. Yeah, I think this one was at about 1.3, but it was dropping anyway. So I switched it back to negative, and might leave it like that. What I might do, I might box this one up, like the one I've got outside, and actually put this one outside, and then see if I can get that LED to get brighter and brighter. Because something exciting. Remember how those that oscillator that I had outside was flickering away? Well, I'll show you in a bit once I finish talking. It's actually steady on now, so I can't explain it. It seems like the battery is charging. So yeah, that's interesting. Okay, so go outside and have a look. Okay, so we're outside. Okay, so it's not exactly steady on, but it's a whole lot faster. From a distance it looked like it was steady on, but yeah, it's flickering away. But I think even a camera is capturing that firing a lot faster. Let me just put my torch on it. I've got an even more powerful torch now, so and you can see that LED is still firing away. Yeah, there you go. Now you can see it. And you can see it, like, again, it's not solar powered. It's not connected to the ground. It's not a ground battery or anything like that. It's just sitting there. Now I wonder if I can maybe lift it and show you. Let me just put my torch there. Don't want to disturb it too much. There you go. So you can see LED's flickering away. It's not connected to anything. Let's see if we can show the under. Yep. So it's just sitting here. It's definitely getting faster and faster. Definitely. So yeah, that's interesting. So I might box up my other one and bring it outside. We'll see what kind of charge it does. See if we can get nature to give us a charge. Okay. Okay, so this was the torch that I was using. It doesn't really have a watt rating. It's a Cree XML T6 LED that it's got in there. And it gets powered by a huge 300 milliamp 3.7 volt lithium ion. And so yeah, that's what I was using. So this is even more powerful than what I was using before, and you can see it's definitely not solar powered, that little oscillator that I've got in there. You can see I'm charging, using my typical charger to charge these lithium ions. I just tore these out of a old battery pack for a laptop. These are rated at 10.6 10.8 volt, 48 watt hour. They're going pretty good. They're basically at voltage now. After a day of charging, they were at 0.8 volts. Where's my data? Yeah, there we go. Yeah, they were 8 volts, and I got them up to the next day up to 10 volts, 3. So they're still going, and I'm just charging them on 10 volts, 60 milliamps. But yeah, just that's really interesting. If anybody wants to comment, maybe let me know, see if they've seen this effect before. And also, I will have to check, but I do know that I had germanium diodes in that, and so it could have been that. Slowly over the day, those germanium diodes could be charging the battery somehow, maybe, but I don't know. But I don't think I do. I think I've just got the LED plugged in straight from the collector to the emitter, like you usually do with these oscillators. So yeah, okay, so I'll make a video in a minute of me boxing up the other oscillator, and we just saw that it was at 0.59 volts, and the LED wasn't oscillating, but it wasn't very bright. So I'll box that up and put it outside, and in a couple of weeks we'll see, maybe it will charge itself along with the other battery that's actually on the charge side. I might put it in like that box there or something. Okay, see you in a bit. Okay, so I've found a box. I'll use this one here. You can see the oscillator is still on. It flickers on the camera. Oh no, in real life it flickers a bit as well. So I'm just going to take some measurements for the record. So the running battery, let's connect to our positive and our negative. It is on 0.593. It's interesting. Now it seems to be going up. Maybe the human presence. I don't know, it's a theory. Okay, just say 0.593. Okay. And this one here, our charging battery. That's at 0.641. Let's see if it's steady. Yep. Okay, so 0.641. Okay, let's disconnect that. And you can see it's only got the LED there. Why is my LED blue now? Oh no, there it is. Okay, so it's got a diode on it, but that diode is the 1N404 and it's enclosed, so that can't feed the battery. This LED might be able to feed the battery because this LED is a diode, so it might act like a little solar panel that might feed into this battery and then loop back and feed this battery. So that could be what's happening in the other one, but don't know, not sure. Transistors are closed, so that can't be feeding it, and that's just a normal transformer out of a power supply. Then we've got a resistor, that's the 1 mega ohm, and then the 103 103. Nope, doesn't like that. You can't see it from the side anyway. It's a 103 capacitor across going to the base. So that's it, that's all there is. And these are, get me out of the light, nickel metal hydride, AAA 600 milliamp hour, 1.2 volt, and they're identical. Okay, so I'm just gonna put it in this box like so. Make sure the light's still on. Yep. Just gonna close it up, and I'm just gonna put electrical tape all around and see if I can make sure that this thing doesn't get any water in it, because it is winter or autumn here anyway. It's gonna get quite rainy, and so yeah, don't want any water getting in there. Condensation I'm not too worried about, because that one's getting condensation and doesn't seem to bother it, so as long as it doesn't flood my electronics. It's nice and clear, so I'll be able to check on it every day. And yeah, it's very faint. The camera's showing it a lot brighter than what it actually is, so I'll definitely be able to tell if this is getting brighter just visually seeing it. Okay, well, hope you liked that update. Thanks for watching.